Hello everyone, and this is my recording for the English class. Now, let's get started. Okay, the first sentence is, my mother cleaned the room yesterday. The second one is, I studied all day for the exam. The third one is, it rained all day. The fourth one is, we worked all day in the office. Alright. The fifth one is, the teacher explained all of us what to do. And the sixth one is, we opened the box last week. Okay, now the second part. Okay, yeah, okay. You won the game. The second one is, my best friend went to the mall with his mom. The third one is, Carol took a taxi to the airport. And the fourth one is, we spoke English perfectly. Now, thank you for your attention and see you later next time. Bye.